This is the week 3 submission form video. You want to go to ID OCT Tuesday, Fall 2018. Open up week 3 folder. You'll find the ID CT 03 submission. Double click on it and then download it. You don't need to make a copy, simply download it. Once it finishes downloading, we'll need to open that file and enable editing. It's filled with examples of what we're going to try to do. So the first one is we're going to insert an image of the box isometric and multi-view drawing. Now this is from activity 3.9. So let's go to courses. And in your courses, student course or teacher course, it doesn't make a difference, but activity 3.9, project 3.9, manufacturing a box, we're doing number 1. So you're basically doing this activity here, and that is submission 1, and that's a hand-drawn submission. Let's go back and look at number 2. You're going to insert a screenshot of the inventor part drawing of the sketch plane cube. You should have done this for readiness training. If not, we have help videos in the email that we send on how to create that particular part. So you should be good there. Number 3 is another screenshot. This is the box that you did the hand sketch of, done in Inventor, assembled and dimensioned. The help videos show you how to create a project, how to make each individual part, and how to assemble it. So that's number 3. Number 4, we talked about last week, and some of you have already completed it, or at least tried, but there's also a help video for this. We're going to go ahead and do the geometric constraints. We talked about it a little bit in class tonight, but this is the question 4. It's just a screenshot of that. Number 5 is a screenshot of fully dimensioned part number 8 from activity 2.4, and we have some help videos on that as well. So you're just doing a screenshot of that and pasting it right in for number 5. And number 6 is very similar, except it's item 9, and again we have help videos for that. Number 7 is just a response question, so replace the text with your answer after reading the questions. So number 7 should be fairly easy for you. Number 8, you're going to create a unit conversion quiz. And in breakout next week, we'll be talking about them, evaluating, see if they're either too difficult or maybe some ways we can tweak them. So have that done for next week. And depending on what your last name is, A to E is going to be number 4, and F to L, number 5, M to S, number 8, and T to Z is going to do something similar to number 9. So you're creating some sample test questions you could use later on your own. By the time we get 30 people, we should have a good collection of questions. Number 9 is upload a hand sketch fully dimensioned drawing to the multi-view drawing repository in the community. So let's go to community and let's look at that. So let's go Netscape. Let's see. Let's go here. We'll go to community. And we've got to find our community. So here's our community, and we have 2 of these. So we want to make sure you get them to the right spot. So the first one is week 3, not week 3 final. So in that one, you're going to, in the comments, paste your drawing. Do not start a new thread because it gets kind of confusing, hard to follow for everyone. So just respond to this thread and paste your drawing in there. And then for number 9, that will be done. And then we'll move on to number 10. And once you have posted your drawing, you should reply to appear. And then once you receive that, then make any changes as necessary. Some of you may have a little tweak. Some of you may have some good amount of changes, hopefully not. And then some people may have very little. But then you'll go back to community and go to final. So, and when you're looking at these, let's make sure that we get everything set up and you post to the correct one. And again, it's just a comment. So that should be able to take care of those particular activities. Then you'll be done with the assignments for this week. And let's go back and look at how we need to submit. So again, in Netscape, you'll go to your ongoing training. You'll come down to your 2018 introduction, hit resume track, core training, and this is week 3. So you want to go ahead and hit the submission file and make sure that they're all complete. Like you can see right here for graphics 2, I'm not complete because I have not viewed balanced assessment yet. So make sure you get those all taken care of, and then you'll submit submission form 3 here. So that takes care of the submission form. Let's go back and also look at what we have in week 3. So if you want to look at those, there's Word documents and PDF for 2.47 and 2.4 number 8. Let's look at one of those. See, it's got the ISO up here, and then the students could go ahead and do their multi-view. Thought you could use those things. And there's the IDW for 5.2. Also have an ISO ortho sheet, so you can print that out for your students, and then you have the ISO metric up in the corner, and then you'll have available the ability to do multi-views in the other 3 segments. I thought that would be helpful, so I went ahead and created that for you. Hope this helps. You have a good submission, and you have a wonderful week. Talk to you later. Bye.